So this is a Bible journaling kit I got from Etsy from a shop called Creative Faith Company. It was $29.99, and I thought I would go ahead and unbag it for you and show you what's included because I think it's really cute and I'm excited about it. So when it was shipped, there's a small shipping error, and I contacted the Creative Faith Company through Etsy. And Hillary was very responsive. She wrote back real quickly and she solved the problem quickly. And then on top of that, she sent me an extra item, which was very kind of her. She didn't have to do, but I am very excited about the item she sent me. It is this prayer journal. And so these are like traveler size notebooks. And if I wanted to, I could probably put them in like I can't remember what you call these. The prayer journal also came with this card that says, "Delight yourself in the Lord," Psalm 37:4. And then on the back, it has all the different ways you can follow Creative Faith and Company. So that's a nice little thing to have. But inside the prayer journal, there's like how to use it, a message from the author, which I think is helpful and nice. And then here you have days to color in, and I like being able to track things like this. I think it's helpful to see how far you've gone and how much more you have left to go. I also like having different things to pray over and just space to journal it. I also like that she's got Bible verses to reference as you're praying to help you out. And so each page is just kind of a place to journal. And then there's some blank pages there. And then this section is answered prayers to journal when prayers have been answered, which is super helpful to look back on. So that was very nice of her, and I'm really excited to use the prayer journal that she sent. And then next I have what was included in the kit. And the kit's title is The Book of Ruth Bible Study Devotional Bible Journaling Devotion Book Kit. And I'll put a link down below so you guys can find that. But it came with this small bag. And inside that, she's got some cute things to journal with. So I like this paper clip, a nice fabric paper clip, some washi. I'll go ahead and pull it out so we can look at it. Some of it looks like that. Just some more pieces to journal with, some tabs. This one's a sticker. And we kind of have like a frame and then just a saying. And this is a thicker like chipboard. And a journaling card. Find something you love and do it forever. Then we have the blue bag. So it comes with a glue stick for your journaling, a really cute pen. I like this pen. Another paper clip. I really like these colors. I'm a fan of yellows and grays and blues and greens. Some more washi tape. And then we have this notebook, similar traveler notebook size as the prayer journal. New Beginnings Bible Study of the Book of Ruth, and it's by Hillary. And so then you can put whose book it is, when you started it, when you finished it. There's some QR codes inside. There's another author's message, and then some more journaling items. We'll look at that here in a second. And then how to use the book. And then there's a table of contents. And so each day it's got stuff to do, places to journal and reflect and think. So that's really cute. I like the cover too. I like floral prints. And then we also have the Book of Ruth, and it's got these cute little doilies in there. But this is like a Bible journal reading. Now, this is an NET version, which I am not familiar with. So when I'm reading it, I'll probably have my Blue Letter Bible app open on my phone. If you aren't familiar with that, you can look up different versions at the same time and compare versions. I also like to use it because you can look up the Greek or the Hebrew word that was used originally and how that word has been used in other places in the Bible, and you can look up definitions and do word studies. So that's just kind of helpful to make sure you're understanding the text that you're reading. And I probably will do that just because I'm not familiar with the NET version. I usually use ESV or New King James, but anyway, so here is like an introduction to the NET version, the New English Translation. So I can read through that to check that out. But here we go. Here we have the text that begins. And so it's kind of interesting. I'm noticing that there aren't verse numbers or chapters. It's kind of just, I don't know, it looks like it's summarizing and then telling you what verses were summarized in that part. And then here we have the actual text with chapters and verses. So that's interesting. And then we have these: contemplate and pray the scripture. So there's a place to kind of journal what's going over here. You can highlight in it. And then there's plenty of blank pages at the back, where if I wanted to, I could do word studies or maybe do some James Method journaling back there. So that's cool. I like that. And we'll come back and let's look at these other things that came with it for journaling. Once again, we got the doilies. We also have this cute rose, some more tabs, a little heart. This is a bookmark that has a Bible verse on it from Ruth. And then these are on sticker paper, so I think I could cut around it and then add it to my journaling. Same thing with this one. So they're not individually cut already, but you can cut them out and then peel them off. And then same thing with these words that you can use in the journaling sticker paper, but you'll need to cut them out. And then these stickers, but I like those. And then a prayer journal card. These look like the ones from the Dollar Tree. Today's prayer, and then you have that, which those are really cute to pick up from there. So there you have it. This is the Ruth New Beginnings Bible Study on the Book of Ruth Bible Journaling Kit. I think it was a really good deal. I am excited to start using this Bible study and studying the Book of Ruth, and I'm super excited about my prayer journal that she sent me. Once again, thank you, Hillary, for doing that. You didn't have to, but I really appreciate it. So if you're interested in purchasing this kit, I'll leave a link down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.